gifts,
wrapped with delight.
H is for holly, green
And bright. I is for icicles, sparkling like glass.
J is for jingle bells,
A song to surpass.
K is for kindness,
Spread all around.
L is for lights
Glowing on the ground.
M is for mittens, cozy and warm.
N is for North Pole, where magic is born.
O is for ornaments,
Hung with glee.
P is for presents, under the tree. Q is for quiet on a snowy night. R is for reindeer, ready for flight. S is for Santa with his big red sack. T is for tree with the star on its back. U is for unity, bringing us cheer. V is for village, decked out every year. W is for wreath, on the door it stays. X is for Christmas, another word for the day. Y is for Yule log, crackling with fire. Z is for zizzes, after joy we tire. From A to Z, Christmas is here, a season of magic, love, and cheer.